What's up, everyone? So in this video we are going to review Tubebuddy. So if you don't know what Tubebuddy is a software right here, an extension that you install that actually allows you to find keywords and also see how hard it is for you to rank for them, on YouTube. With YouTube it's kind of hard to see, like you kind of do it manually a little bit to see what keywords you can rank for, what you can't rank for, etc. But with this, it actually shows you. Just makes your life easier. And right now, I'm using a free trial. Haven't really delved into their paid yet. I might get into it and review that later. But right now, I'm using it free. You could actually definitely just get away with a lot of stuff with just their free, offering. Granted, just to let you know, it is limited to a certain amount of searches per day. So once you go over that, then you're locked out. You have to wait another 24 hours, or you could just upgrade, depending on what you want. So let me show you an example of how it works, right? So let's go and search for something, right? See right here, I was actually looking for stuff on Tubebuddy, but we're gonna go and let's say best protein shake to build muscle. I don't know. Let's see. Right, so let's say you're in the fitness niche, so this will be a great topic to talk about in your video, right? So right here you see it says show keyword score. So you press that, it's going to show you pretty much an overall. So it shows you the search volume, which I don't really look into this too much, because especially when you're starting, you don't want to really go, you really don't really want to look for volume, as you want to look more for, like, because the lower the search term is, the easier it is for the rank for, right? And then you see the competition. So the competition is actually pretty decent. It's actually almost in the green. I prefer, if I'm looking for a keyword, to be in the green, but since it's close to it, I would go with it. I would never go anything below a good. So good is actually pretty decent. Anything below 50 I wouldn't bother, but this is actually good, right? And I just found this top of my head. I just was like, okay, whatever. And so this is right here, best protein shake to build muscle, right? So boom, you got it right there, right? So now there's another feature. So another thing they do also is that they show you keywords, other keywords, right? So you could rank for it. So we're gonna go right here. Oh shoot. Let's see. This has 20 searches, so you might want to do a video on this too. That is just gross right there, the way he's grabbing his skin. That's nasty. But see right here, very good. 74. Granted, only 20 searches per month, but you could definitely rank for this. It's the best protein shake to build muscle and lose fat, right? And actually, if you want to know a good protein shake for that, it's actually called, it's like Muscle Farm. It's MP, that's what I use. It's actually a time release protein, has a lot of amino acids. But that's a different topic, right? So now let me show you another cool feature with Tubebuddy. So by the way, I like to use Tubebuddy, just not get off topic. I love to use Tubebuddy with keywords everywhere. So at least with keywords everywhere, right? You can find your keywords, and then Tubebuddy will show you if you're able to rank for it or not, right? So now we're gonna go to, let's see. I kind of want to find a YouTube channel that I know they take advantage of because what's really important for you to rank in videos is tags, right? So let's see here. I'm just going off the cuff here, freestyling. All right, let's pick this one because it's number one. All right, not interested in your ad. Shut up. Okay. So right here, what's really cool about YouTube, not YouTube. Well, YouTube's cool, but about Tubebuddy is that it shows you the tags that these videos are using. These videos are already ranking. It shows you the tags. Oh, sorry, cops outside my house. But back to my point. So it shows you the keywords you can. So, and what you can do simply is you press copy, boom, copy to clipboard, and that's it. So when you're doing your video, you can actually just copy and paste the tags into it, and that's all you really got to do, right? It's pretty it makes it very convenient for you. And what you want to do afterwards is just like literally that's pretty much it. You know, so that's really cool about Tubebuddy. It's pretty simple. They do have more features to it. I personally haven't delved too much into it, but and let's see actually real quick. I think it has
protein powder is
okay. I don't care. So also it shows you pretty much. It kind of gives you a summary of the videos also, but also kind of gives you like, okay, what should you do to kind of make your rank better? Like, you know, okay, comments, pins. That stuff is not really that important. We really want to know what you want to take advantage of. This is the tags, and then the pretty much if the keyword's competitive or not. That's pretty much it. So I am done. It's a pretty quick video, kind of quick breakdown. Again, you could just try Tubebuddy. I'm linking down below how to use it. It's gonna be for free. You don't have to worry about, you know, paying. If you want to go upgrade it, go ahead. It's up to you. I personally, I haven't done that yet. I'm actually gonna try it out, you know, for myself and see how it is, and I give you guys a review on it, see if I recommend it or not. Because actually, I'm curious about the price. Actually, and you know, I never looked the price up. Let's see how expensive it is. No, what the fuck? Upgrade now. There we go. Yeah, sure, I agree. I sell my soul. Okay. Okay, so they have a yearly and a monthly. So let me see. So it's actually not bad. It's like $10 a month, really. Like if they get the minimum, which I would personally get. Because let me see what you don't get. Yeah, you don't like. You might as well go with the pro. You don't get much out of getting anything extra. Let me see. Demonized double check. Maybe, you know what? I don't know. It's hard to say. I'm gonna review this. I'm definitely gonna take a look at this because I don't know. I would definitely don't go with legend. That's way too OD. But maybe like, you know, most popular, the $20 one, maybe the star. I'll check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, I am giving out a free training of how to get traffic from Quora and Tumblr. The link is gonna be down below. Check that out. It's for free. Don't worry. I'm not gonna like pretty much like try to like sell you on a course at the end. Like, oh, this course is free, but at the end there's gonna be $1,000 course. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, it's for free. You check it out, right? There are tools in there I use. I use Builderall, right? I actually use Builderall to build that course. Check it out. You know, it does. You get to see the $1 trial. So for Builderall, if you want to try that out. But that's pretty much it. I am done. Of course, like and subscribe the video. Duh. But I am out of here. Thank you very much. See ya.